Welcome everyone. Today we got the Powerjet XT-7 from Captain Power. I think it's a pretty cool designed fighter jet. I think it's what officially classified as. It's our cool profile. You got the it used to be interactive with the TV. I don't know if this is gonna. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna clean off some. But it's been in storage after the quick 6 months of usage. That's which I don't even think it was 6 months, to be honest. It was. This actually is dirt, not discoloration. Okay, that's, I guess, good and bad. Just a damp cloth here. It's nothing, no chemicals or anything. Just water on a shot paper towel. Lots of nooks and crannies around the weaponry up there. Okay, and underneath, the canopy's coming out for me. Underneath, like I said, is a pistol grip thing. That was a trigger that you could shoot at the TV with, so you get your points and everything, and you could opt between. There's switches over here for the. I don't know if I can get an angle on, like the. Give it a, there you go. The reflection there. You got the power switch, and then you opt between whether you're fighting against your friends or fighting against the TV. Like I say, just sort of a low grade laser tag. It wasn't real laser tag. Sort of, especially if you didn't have two of these, if you're fighting this against the throne, it was an unfair fight because these are much more ergonomic to fight with. This is back here is the this kept your score, your life points. I think you started off with 5, and you hit the button, and it would beep however many points you had. I think from what I was reading, you could score up to 25 before it quit counting, but then you could continue to play. It was I thought it sort of odd. It had a spot for a 9-volt battery there, and then these line up like that. Also has a spot for 2 AA's in here. So I don't remember how all that worked. what it was for. It was one of the cooler features. It was, I thought, if you lost all your life points, to the TV people, the show, it would. Well, it used to launch them. I thought it was supposed to launch. Yeah. Okay, it worked that time. But maybe the canopy it doesn't work with. But it would automatically trigger. But I know it came off. I imagine it worked better in the 80s. Yeah, you're supposed to load your pilot into his seat. Maybe that's what's wrong. And that goes in there gently. And let's say if once you lost all your life points, it would eject him. Ooh, ought to clean in there too while I'm cleaning stuff. There's a quick look at the decals in there. I hate that this didn't catch on. I think that there's some potential there, especially the interactive aspect of the TV show. But as far as I know, there was never any other real attempt at that. After this, it was sort of, we tried, it didn't work, so we'll move on to something else. Like I say, it was a pretty cool design toy to me. I think, and even just using it as a plane, you got the pistol grip does a good job to allow you to fly it as a child or as an adult. I don't. But anyway, that was the Powerjet XT. Oh, forgot to read. I've got the info cards in there too. Forgot about that. There's a power beam weapon, escape eject cockpit, insignia, thrusters. Does have Powerjet XT-7 to believe to have been developed by Captain Jonathan Power and his aides, craft designed air assault stealth clad. That's obviously that. I'll read it from the screen so y'all can read along if I can get it to focus. Craft reach speed of Mach 20 for sustained periods, capable of include battle maneuvers, full variety, full charge, forward and back thrusters. Titanium structure allows for maximum force impact without structural damage. Defensive system, full load stealth equipment, allows the craft to move through surveillance without detection. It doesn't help that I'm moving this around trying to read it. Exception, Warlord class biodreads detect 200-mile range. But at Mach 20, that wouldn't matter. But anyway, power shield system allows mainframe protection for medium to mega force blast systems. Still going on defensive systems there. Powerjet contains massive firepower ion blast system. There's full range power blast on call. Targeting is through laser sight unit. Tied to lock-on light systems. Note all biodreads should avoid contact with a Powerjet XT-7 unless backed by full attack group. Powerjet XT-7 is currently the most powerful weapon in Captain Power's arsenal. Lord Dread orders all biodreads report sightings directly to Volcania, where he will monitor all information on the craft's capabilities. Powerjet XT-7 contains elements still unknown to the Empire. All engagements with the craft require full power generation. Caution, ion blast in the Powerjet XT-7 will penetrate all biodread shield systems. And I also did find the assembly instructions. For like the power on energizer from yesterday, just very rudimentary. This is how you put it together. And then put your guy in. Of course, I don't have the targets for this. That was very. Now that I've so long since quit reading instruction manuals, now I see why, because I didn't have anything worth reading. But anyway, that's the Powerjet XT-7, and I mean it this time. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I've got so much more to go through. Have a good one.